Blessed, blessed, blessed. Yeah, man. You had the mix up. All right. So, this topic we're going to talk about today is you need to feel the vibes of nature. What I mean like that is you need to spend more time in nature to feel that vibration, that sensation in your mind, your body, and your spirit, so it can uplift you, elevate you, and also rise and uplift your consciousness. Now, when you do that and spend more time in nature, what you realize is you're calm of a peace within that elevate you to think positive with upliftment. It elevates you. So this is another way of connecting with nature. It help you. It uplift you. Just like meditation. You understand? Also, you can get other information. You know, like for instance, the sun. Especially when it's going down, you want to get that sunlight in that moment of peace. Also, that's nature. So these things elevate you, and it you might not see it, but gradually you're going to see the difference because it start to chrome you, it start to change you. You know what I mean? It start uplift you. You start have a better feeling. You start get more enlightened to things. You start learn to let go of things and start learn to be free. You start learn to connect and know that you're one with everything on a higher level. You understand? You love everything within because you know it's one and all and one. You understand? So, you know, these are other ways of helping you rise your vibration and stay focused. You know, be positive, be happy, be joyful at all the times. You know what I mean? And yeah, this is Starseed once again. You know, may I say, yeah, the mix up. Blessed and big up yourself. Yeah.